Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. In this one I will try to install a dashcam in my 2011 Ford Fiesta, and in the process of doing so I think you will maybe you will learn, and I will try to show you some tips and tricks. So first of all, I will show you exactly the camera that I choose for my car. This is the Blueskysea B1W. This is a mid-range camera. It's only $50 on Amazon. It's the best camera the money can buy for this price. It has 100p full HD, 150 degree angle of view. It swivels around 360. It has 2 megapixel CMOS sensor and also has Wi-Fi. It doesn't have a display, so you will not see in real time the footage, but since it has Wi-Fi integrated, you can make adjustments and stuff via your phone. And another trick that it has, it doesn't have a battery, so since it will stay in the sun and the freezing cold all day, the battery will not explode or swell or whatever. It's instead it has some super capacitors instead, so this is a neat trick. So I will show exactly what's in the box. So what I intend to do, it's install this dash cam. And if you saw my previous videos where I installed a piggyback fuse in my car for the Bluetooth adapter, I would want to again take the 5 volts from that transformer and use it also for this camera. And I will show you how I do this. So here is the camera, really small camera. It's you can see it here, it's almost the same dimension as my thumb. Yeah, you have here a button, but the button, when you press it, you will lock the video. And here I already put a 64 gig card, SD card, and it has the way it should be. Stick it on the windshield is with the 3M adhesive tape. Now a first tip that I want to show you, and I saw that a lot of others on the internet are not telling you this, to be careful where to position your camera. Everybody says, okay, put it on this dotted part of the windshield since it's not used, and it's protected by the sun and stuff like that. But be careful that maybe you can see it. For my car, for example, the windshield wipers are not coming all the way up here. They're actually coming only here. And if I put the camera here, then always the camera will film through this dirty part of the car, so of the windshield. So yeah, unfortunately I cannot make the windshield bigger, the wipers bigger, because it's the way it should be. So I will need to put it somewhere here back in order to film just on the area defined by the wipers. Actually, it will be just behind the rear view mirror, but yeah, unfortunately I will have to take this in consideration. Okay, so Since I already have in the fuse box a 5-volt USB, and I would not like to have it all the way here, this charger that it comes with the camera, I will have to modify this this cable in order to be a USB and not this type of cigarette charger. So let's go modify the cable, and then I will come back in the car and install the camera. Yeah guys, this is the final result here, if my camera will focus. From the driver area you cannot see it, and also from the other side it's very tucked away, the camera. It's just behind the rear view mirror, so it will not be noticeable. The cable is tucked in here from nice, and all the way here to the fuse box. And here in the fuse box is actually in the 5-volt charger that I have, in which the Bluetooth adapter will also enter. So yeah, I hope guys you liked this video. I will let you see some actual footage of this camera. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, if you want to see this type of videos also, subscribe. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.